Good morning, students. Today our topic is about reading skills. What is reading? Reading is a psycholinguistic analysis guessing game. It involves your ability to read and understand the words, phrases, and sentences and other symbols or visual in a text. It may be for gathering information, for pleasure, for overall understanding, or sometimes for a few items of specific information. So there are four types of reading: skimming, scanning, extensive, and intensive reading. So, first of all, skimming. Skimming is used to get the most important information or a gist of knowledge. Run your eyes over the text. Use skimming to quickly get up to speed on a current business situation. It is not essential to understand each word when skimming. So, what is skimming? You read fast, often skipping words, sentences, sometimes even paragraphs that are not important and try and get an overall understanding of text. So, purpose of skimming: reading for an overall understanding of a text. Example: reading a story, a newspaper, a film review, any description, etc. The second type of reading is scanning. Scanning is used to find a particular piece of information. Run your eyes over the text looking for the specific piece of information you need. Use scanning on schedules, meeting, plans, etc. In order to find the specific detail you require. If you see words or phrases that you do not understand, don't worry when scanning. So scanning is, for example, if you have a book and someone asks you that, so open the page number 28. So you should open only the page number 28, not to open the page number 20, 21, just 28. To scan something, it's called scanning. You do not read the contents from cover to cover. Instead, you go to the specific page on which there is information. Quickly run through and locate the specific items of information. Purpose of scanning: reading to get a few specific items of information. Look up some specific information in a dictionary, encyclopedia, a product manual, a brochure, or any other reference resources. Then the next type of reading is intensive reading. Intensive reading is used on a shorter text in order to extract specific information. It includes very close, accurate reading for detail. Use intensive reading skills to grasp the details of specific situation. In this case, it is important that you understand each and every word, number, or a figure, or any picture. So, in an intensive reading, you should read each and every word. You read the text slowly, word by word, and sentence by sentence because your aim is total or near total comprehension. Purpose of intensive reading: reading for total information. Example: reading your textbooks for study purpose, or reading an article on a topic of importance for you. Then the four types of reading is extensive reading. Extensive reading is used to obtain a general understanding of a subject and includes reading longer texts for pleasure as well as business books. Use extensive reading skills to improve your general knowledge of business. Do not worry if you are not understanding each and every word. So extensive reading means to read a longer text, for example, a novel reading. Since you are reading for pleasure, you may read the text selectively without being bothered by unfamiliar words. Purpose of extensive reading: reading for pleasure. Example: reading novels, magazines, stories. So there are some shortest definition of reading types. The first one is, what is skimming? Reading rapidly for the main points. What is scanning? Reading rapidly through a text to find specific information required. What is extensive reading? Reading longer text, often for pleasure and for an overall understanding. What is intensive reading? Reading shorter text for detailed information with an emphasis on each and every words. So the next is about SQ3R. So it is the method of reading. So S for survey. First, you take a few minutes to scan the entire text. Pay attention to layout, chapters, section, graphs, pictures, words in bold and italics. In general, these provide information about the content of the text. Be quickly scanning through the text first. You create an overview and structure. This serves as the foundation for the active reading and understanding of the text. So it is about survey. The next is SQ3R. The first is survey. The next is question. Ask yourself question about the text that you scanned during the previous step. Write down the questions, ask yourself what you already know about the topic and what your goal is for reading the text. Try to understand what it is that the author wants to convey. You can use the left margin to write down your question about the text in a structured way. At a later stage, you can note down the answer in the right side. Then the third in SQ3R, the first R is read. Read the text while keeping the structure from survey and then question. Pay attention to the chapter sentences printed in the bold explanation under graphs and images. Read actively, write down questions while you are reading and try to find the answer to the previous asked question. Answer to the previously asked questions. Write down answers and explanation in the right side of the text. Take your time for the more complicated parts of the text and read it again if you need to. Give less attention to unimportant information. Then recite. Repeat aloud in your own words that you have read. Ask yourself questions about the text. Explain what you have read to someone else. You can also do this in your imagination. Making a summary in your own words provide extra support. Then the last R is review. Read all the relevant parts of the text again. Look at your notes, possibly improve on your notes, paying extra attention to the parts you found difficult. Read your own questions on the left side of the text. Cover the answers on the right side and try to answer them. This step is the most effective if you do it a day after steps. After following these 5 steps, you will have actively read a text and you will be better able to remember and explain what it is about. So it is about reading skills.